Hey, to use your memory cards with the Samsung Galaxy S24 or S24 Plus, all you need is actually this external adapter where you can actually input this card. Unfortunately, there's like no input for this micro SD cards, so you have to input it just right here into this adapter and then plug it straight into your USB-C port. Like this. And now we can find this information that something is connected. So you have to simply open your storage from this, click to open, and as you can see from here, you can find all of the data that is actually linked into this device. So for example, I can play some tutorial videos from my SIM card.
Hey, to assign a ringtone to an...
There we go. And if it doesn't work for some reason, you have to also remember to go into the settings and you have to go into the developer options and simply enable the USB debugging. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel.